Time to feed my fish. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, don't drop all of it. Diego, don't drop it. Grab 1 or 2 pieces, should be good enough. Oopsie. And they start to sink, and the plecos are the only ones that are gonna eat that anyway. That might chase it for a little bit, but also did notice that they're not the biggest fans of the bell pepper, but I do put it in there to give them a little bit of variety. I keep dropping. Sweet dreams are made of. There you go. Now we go to the next one. Next one's plural because here we have a boatload of fish, which we're just going to be feeding some more of this blanched bell pepper. Boop, boop. I think I have enough to pass around, even for downstairs. Throw 1 in there. Definitely going to throw 1 in the new one here, the new tank. There we go. Might throw 2 in there since there's so many babies. These guys still have food. I just fed them, so we're not going to do that to them. We are going to throw 1 piece in there for them. I'm going to throw 1 piece in here for them. I usually would overfeed, like here. Definitely they can eat all of that. But this does eventually go bad since it is veggies. Throw 1 piece in there. I don't think they're the biggest fans of that. I know these guys are like mini piranhas with veggies because they go to town on that stuff. Here because we have babies. Throw 1 in there as well. What else can we do? Did we feed this tank yet? Nope. 1 in there. Could technically get away with 2 since they are babies and there are 3 fish in there. Might have overfed, so I don't have enough downstairs, but it's fine. I just have to make more. Take a second and admire. Look at this coat of moss. Like, what? It just sucks that they have snails in here, otherwise I'd definitely be selling this. This is just amazing. Look at all the shrimp in there too. It's a mixed variety of shrimp in there, but I had some super reds come out of this tank actually. They're the ones in the other place. I'll show you right now actually. They're in here right now. Not a full batch because I believe a lot of them already got out, so. Here we still have a boatload, so that's fine. Time to feed the one in our living room. Let's see if I can do this without dropping everything. So we throw 1 of these bad boys in there. Probably 2 in there. And then we could probably throw in 1 of these nice pieces into here. So I'm gonna have to make more. I'm gonna just throw them in here and not be too scarce with the food. So, well, I didn't probably have to do that much, but it happens sometimes. I know this guy is on eggs, so go. I know I already threw up in there. I don't know if they're gonna finish eating it, but these guys are already going to town. Probably throw another piece in there. And we can give them a short little chunk. The reason I put the Java moss in there, or whatever Christmas moss you want to call it, is because it helps with the cycle. It helps eat a lot of the nitrate and it just basically helps with the white parameters. Look at them going to town. See if anyone has started eating. No here yet. Nothing here yet. Zoom in on the one we're doing here. Nothing here yet either. Nothing here yet either. Let's see up here. We've got some action going. That's the female. Oh, do we have any baby? We have 1 baby on it. Brave enough. And how about over here? There we go. We have 1 male over there. Eating already. Female. A reverse trio up there. Here we have female. How about you guys? Nothing yet. A little better fish. These guys are very shy. Nowhere near compared to these snow whites. Have a little lemon. You can see him eating. We have a little bit of action here. This is a nice, beautiful super red. I mean, just look at all that moss. It's just wow. Here, no action yet. These guys used to be a lot more active, but since I focused more attention to other tanks, this one hasn't gotten my attention as much, and they haven't bred for me as much either, so I need to really get on top of that. In this tank, we have one brave baby going to town on it. How about these babies? We have one right there. Eventually they'll happen more, but I'll see if I can get some more video of that after. So now we have 3 that came out. Looks like those 2 are females. And now we have 1 male. Another female over there. Up here we still only have 3 plecos that came out. A few more came out, but I only see 1 on it. He's right there. You can tell he's a male. Oh, there's 2. Short males, looks like. No white's still going to town on them. We have 1 little baby that went on top of it. Still no L397s. No action here. I think I just scared them, to be honest. Let's check up here on the... Any action in there? Nope. How about up here? We still got, what is that, the big male? Up here we still have any babies? There we go, we got 2. Still munching around. I did feed a little bit before, but there's so many in there. I decided, oh, there we go. That female was eating on it. Just when I walked up, she ran away. But let's check the babies out. These bubbles are in the way, but they're going at it. You've got a good amount eating at it, so it's good. To be honest, I think a lot of them don't eat this bell pepper as much because mainly my fault that I didn't feed it as often. As I was checking and talking, I see a bunch of babies in there and no male, so I know he's already out and about. I'm gonna take those babies and throw them in there. See, look at that. Bunch of babies already out in the tank. At this size, it's scary. This is a 70 gallon tank. But to be honest, I don't want them all out like that, so I'm just going to be throwing them into the net. I know they're obviously, some of them are going to be smaller than the other ones in there, which is fine, but still better chances of getting food, finding food, or reaching food than doing this way. Again, I've done a video on why I do it like this, but it's for good reason, I swear. It's not just for my madness. It's just to make sure they can always find food. I'm always checking in here, specifically making sure that they all have enough food. Probably should zoom out. And we can put this back into where these guys were. I have too many snails in here. If anybody wants snails, I'll give them to you for free. You could even just pay for shipping if you want them shipped. I'll ship them out to you. I'll go to the store and everything, and I'll ship you like 50 snails. You need to remove a lot of these. I'm gonna put an assassin snail in there. I only like I think they're called trumpet snails, or the rabbit snails. Don't like these ram's horn snails, or whatever you want to call them. These guys I'm talking about. But look at all them babies now in there. It's a little overstocked, but it's fine for right now. I was in the middle of going to the gym, so yeah, that's fine. Remember to go to the gym, guys, otherwise your fish will probably beat you up or bully you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I see you in the next video.